What's up? It's Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. I wanted to go over some quick results that I spoke about. There's a lot of people that wanted to see these, and I think that it can encourage you to keep pushing forward on your journey for getting out of debt and repairing your credit. This one here, and I'm going to get a little bit closer, you could see that the amount of debt was for $1,175, and we did a debt validation to this debt collector, and they stated that we disputed it. We used the law in the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and we got this. They stated that they're going to delete the information off their credit reports, and more importantly, they're not going to be coming after them for $1,175, which is a big deal. Some of the times, people, I don't know if it's like they just don't really understand when they get a letter like this. This is more than just deleting. This is deleting debt, which is very important when it comes to an individual being able to move forward. Okay, here's another one. This is a debt collection company. You can see one, and then this is a bank, national bank, and then another debt collection, and then child support. And we can see the results right here. Deleted. This item has been 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 deleted. Again, with these accounts, there was money attached to them, and everything except for the child support. The child support was able to be deleted solely because of what it's a little trick that we use for statute of limitations for reporting the information about the child support. But we always tell individuals you're going to have to take care of that child support. I'm big on taking care of children. Uh, Not taking care of children that don't belong to you, but children that you don't accept, because you may have children that are not biologically yours, but children that are not yours. I hope you understand what I'm saying on that. You shouldn't be paying the expense for them if it was a situation where you thought were the parent and you wasn't biologically. But the information can be deleted off of the report um, if you if it meets certain statute of limitations for being on your debt. Being on your credit reports. And then for the other debts that were from the bank and the other debt collection companies, obviously the client is very happy because they also sent that information to stating that they're not going to come after them for that debt. Here's another one. This is a husband and wife where the Santander account was deleted off of the reports. And the crazy thing about this one is we had submitted this information several times, and they had even gotten a letter back from Santander stating that they were not going to remove it regardless. Vehicle was repossessed, and they stated that they're not going to repo it. And we submitted it the same way that we submit for everyone. Nothing special on, we did something extra for this couple. We just kept moving on. I can remember the wife got very upset when they sent the letter back saying that nothing was going to happen. And I said, you just got to keep moving forward. You got to just allow us to do the work, and you got to keep thinking positive. Well, let me show you the letter that they just, after they got these, and they're 100% off of the wife's reports, not on any of them. The husband reports, I think that it's still on one report that we're working on. This is the letter that they sent. They faxed this over to us. They said they just received this, and that was the deletions on that. last night. Thank God. Stephen, Lola, with customer service, and the whole staff are working and continuing on our credit reports. And this is what I'm talking about. Like, you can't think that something is going to happen the next day. You can't. I really do. I wish that I could tell people when a certain result was going to happen, but everyone needs to understand that once it gets into the bureaus, it's in their hands, and several things can happen, and that's why you have to continually do follow-up work. If the old saying goes, the squeaky wheel gets the oil. Well, are you going to be the squeaky wheel in your credit repair process, or are you going to be the one that doesn't do anything, that just quits? It goes beyond uh, staying quiet. What I mean by the squeaky wheel is the one that continually allows follow-up work to be done, or if you're repairing your own credit, you're doing follow-up work and following up. You look at their responses, you read them, and you respond back the right way, and you keep staying focused on getting the result that you want. Well, this is a short video. I'm gonna have some good videos coming up this week. I'm gonna answer a lot of questions. Also, there's been a big debt portfolio that's being released in the market for over $30 million. And I'm going to go over that and talk about the different types of companies that were included in that debt portfolio sale. If you need help with your credit, please visit thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your credit reports and scores, please go to the number 3 scores.com. I would really appreciate that. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We talk about credit, we talk about um, personal responsibility, we talk about motivation, we talk about getting out of debt. And I would like to thank everyone. And until next time, this is Stephen Williams, founder and president of thecreditrepairshop.com. Thank you.